Hi friends, in the last session we have discussed that important functions of set. Okay, in the last session we have discussed that important functions of set. So today we are going to discuss about mathematical operations on the set. Okay, today we are going to discuss about what mathematical operations on the set. Okay, today our concept is what mathematical operations on the set. Clear? So just we'll go for previous session for revision purpose 1 minute. First, we discussed that remove function. Okay, remove function means it remove the specified element from the set. If the specified element not there means it is going to give key error. So this is the way we can use. In the same way, discard also. Discard also same as a remove function, but in the discard function, specified element not present means then we won't get any error. Okay, this is the way. Next, clear function means simply it's going to remove or clear all elements from the set. That means here taking the all elements. Okay, here printing. S dot clear means print s. Okay, we are not observing any elements in the set. This is nothing but clear function. And we observe that what is the difference between add function and update functions on set. So today we are going to discuss about what mathematical operations on the set. Okay, today we are going to discuss about what mathematical operations on the set. So first function is nothing but a union. Okay, first function is nothing but what a union function. Did you remember at the starting explanation when I have explained what is set means we can use mathematical operations just like union, intersection, difference and symmetric difference like we can use on the set object. Okay, that part now we are going to discussing. Okay, first thing is nothing but what a union. So union is nothing but we can use this function to return all elements present in both sets. Okay, so that nothing but we can use union function. We can use union function. We can use union function to return to return to return all elements. Okay, to return all elements present in both the sets. Okay, we can use union function to return all elements present in both the sets. So the syntax. Okay, now the syntax will be x dot union of y, x dot union of y. Okay, x or x using this way. Okay, both ways we can represent a union symbol, either dot union or this is the pipe symbol. Okay, this is nothing but what a pipe symbol. Observe here, I'm taking one example. I'm taking one set 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Y is equal to what I'm taking 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay, 60, 70, 80, 90. But union means what I'm taking, union means what I'm saying, it returns all elements present in both the sets. Okay, it's going to remove all elements present in both sets. So that means what we will get, it's going to return all elements. It's going to return what? All elements. Print of x dot union. Okay, print x dot union of y. So the same thing will be we can use in this way also. Okay, the same thing we can use in this way also. So if you observe here, it is returning all elements present in the both sets. This is nothing but what a union function. Union function just it is not, it is going to add all elements, just like add function, but it's going to add all elements. Okay, just like concatenation what we observed in the list concept. Okay, next this is nothing but what a union. Next what we observe is a intersection. Okay, next intersection. So intersection means it is going to return common elements present in both sets. Okay, it returns common elements. It returns common elements present in both sets. It returns common elements present in both sets. Present in both sets. Okay, it returns a common elements present in both sets. That means x and y. So how means first observe the syntax. First observe the syntax. First observe the syntax. X dot intersection. X dot intersection of y. Or okay, or x or y. Okay, or x and y. X or y. Observe here what I am doing. Union means instead of union I am taking just intersection. I am not changing anything in the code. Just I am taking here intersection, and here I am taking and symbol. Okay, and observe here what I told. Intersection means it's going to return common elements present in both sets. Okay, it's going to return common elements present in both sets. Okay, for that what I am doing means 30 comma 40 comma 50. Okay, observe carefully. I am taking three elements present common from the both sets. So now what is the output? Observe here. Okay, 40, 50, 30. Okay, so why it is returning two times means here I have wrote for two times. Here I wrote two times. Okay, here I wrote two times. Representation. Okay, this is nothing but a representation. Clear? So this is nothing but what a intersection. Next next concept is nothing but a difference. Difference. Next is nothing but what a difference. Difference means returns the element present in x but not in y. Okay, returns returns the element present in x. Returns the element present in x but not in y. Returns the element present in x but not in y. Okay, so how means first observe the syntax. Okay, first observe the syntax. What is the syntax means x dot difference. Okay, x dot difference of y or x minus y. X minus y. Clear? So observe here first what I am taking means I am taking these elements. Okay, I am taking these elements. First what I am doing means I am taking intersection. Intersection for both. X dot intersection. Okay, x dot intersection of y. X dot intersection of y. Print of x minus y, x minus y. So these two cases is going to give the same result. Okay, these two cases is going to give the same result. Hmm? Next, print of star star sorry star into 10. Next here what I am doing means print y minus x. Okay, print y minus x. Print y minus x. Observe the output now. 40, 50, 30. Okay, 40, 50, 30. Okay, 40, 50, 30 means first what I am doing x intersection of y. X intersection of y. 10, 20. Okay, x minus y. 40, 50, 30 and x minus y. 10, 20, 80, 90. Okay, so this is nothing but what intersection. Okay, this is nothing but what intersection. Observe here, intersection means what? It returns the element present in x but not in y. Example, example. Okay, so the next thing. So the next thing is what? Symmetric difference. The next thing is what? Symmetric difference. Symmetric difference. Symmetric difference. It returns a present element. It returns the element present in either x or y, but not in both. Okay, that means observe here. It returns the elements present in either x or y, but not in both. It returns the elements present in either x or y but not in both. Okay, it returns the element present in either x or y but not in both. Clear? This is nothing but what? It returns the element present in either x or y but not in both. Okay, observe here carefully. I'm writing syntax and let me explain the scenario. So x dot symmetric difference. X dot symmetric difference. Symmetric difference of y. So this is nothing but what? Symmetric difference. Or we can say x cap y. X cap y. So for that what I am taking means x is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 I'm taking. Next 30, 40, 50 and I'm taking this one. Okay. So just observe here what I'm taking means x symmetric difference of y. Next print x cap y. X cap y. Okay, x cap y. So if you observe here the same result. That means present in either x or y but not in both. Okay, these are the elements. Okay, these are the elements nothing but present in either x or y but not in both. Clear? This is nothing but what? A symmetric difference. Okay. So thank you friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you are having any questions or queries, please post your query in the comment section or reach out to my email ID in the given description. Okay. Please subscribe to my channel if you are watching for the first time. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching.